Hey everyone, friends. I'm Wyler on this channel. Today, I'll show how to move photos from one Google Photos account to another. Let's say we have a photo. There are two ways to do this, either by link or by selecting all photos. Here, create a link, click Create Link, then create Share Link. Now click Copy and we can view these photos. There. We'll select all the photos we need, then right-click to download them if needed. The next option is using a service. It's called, we have two accounts here. The service is called MultCloud. Let's go. Click register since I don't have an account yet. Okay, log in. There, we're interested in Google Photos. Go to Google Photos, add it, and select the account you need. Right? We select all, then click Continue. So here's our first account. Right? And we need one more. Click Add Google Photos, Google Photos 2, click Add, select your second account. Click Select All and continue. Now we can transfer files between these two cloud accounts. We can upload here or copy from here if we need files. There. Like this. Select photos here, they'll load soon. They haven't loaded yet, right? And also download them from here. We select needed photos, copy from here, and paste there. That's all. This was Wyler. Like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.